Hello, hello, and welcome back to Jody Lewis Creations. In today's video, we are going to do a final flip through of our Just Chill accordion journal that we've been working on for a few days now. So on the cover is one of Tracy's amazing images. I mean, this kit was just so full of beautiful, beautiful Victorian ladies with a few more modern ladies in it, but just absolutely beautiful. And I love all the colors. It's just a very well done kit. So on the front here, I've just collaged a little bit of packaging that I've embossed and inked, then a little strip that I'd taken off of here, one of the butterflies from the kit, and some threads just to try to pull these colors together, and then have a sari tie on here. This was such a fun project to work on, and I really enjoyed it, and I just think that this was really fun and something new. If you haven't been able to tell, I've been trying to do things that are new to me, just for some difference. What is going on? I have a thread stuck somewhere. I have a ton of threads off the bottom of this. Oh, what did I do? I don't know what I did. I think I know what I did. I might have a repair job to do. So here we have her, and she's just glowing. She's just so happy. This is one of my favorite pages based on my phone of friends and their help with the layout on this. It was just so much fun. Here we have her. Oh my goodness, you know what I did? I put the front on the back. Oh well, it's okay. It's fine. These things happen. I didn't pay attention to how I was doing that, did I? Oh goodness. Oh, I didn't put anything in here. It's okay. These are little tucks. I need to put something in there. I'll come back and we'll add something behind there so we know. And I have all these tags and I printed them, and then my printer messed up and I came back and I was like, oh, I printed on the back side of this, so I can't use those. She's too tall to put in there. This one's inked already. They'll just peek out of there. That's kind of cute. I kind of like it. And then we flip these up. Somebody was just here. And we have that lady. She's so pretty. And then that one, we have that lady with long, remember that's where I made the mess. In this pocket, we just have a tag with a little bit of lace that I stitched. One of the little images, and I love her, and I just like all of those tied together. We have our blue lady here. More simplistic layout here. More of that embossed craft stock. It was definitely addicting. Definitely addicting. And then, as you can see, we just did some laces here at the bottom to take up that extra space. And here we have a fabric flip. So she's kind of peeping through the embroidery there. Or not, because she's taking a nap. And then this flips this way. This should have been my front. I messed up, but that's okay. Nothing we're gonna do about it now. Because she should have been the first image that, remember, we worked on her together. And then this opens. And then over here is this little gal in the frame. And this is a frame set that Tracy just released too. And the colors went really well with this. So I cut some of those out and used them on some of the ladies you'll see. She's one of my favorite images. I've been trying to work her into so many different page spreads, and I finally made it work. And then in here, I just did a couple of the little fussy cuts. Same for in here. And more of that embossed craft stock there with, I just inked over it with my ground espresso and took my gold ink pad over it. And then this page, I love this trim. I glued down some of the dots because they were a little out of control with trying to stay in the page. They're still not cooperating, but I'm going to leave them. And then here's one of the circle embellishment pieces that I just put on there. It's stitched across that. And then she's so lovely. So lovely. And just backed her with some cardstock. And then here's another one of the frames that I put around her. Which is kind of nice because she was a black and white image. So it just, oh, that's a tuck too. Well. And then we're back to the front, which is actually the back, but we're not going to tell anybody, are we? Okay, so that is it. Tracy, thank you so much for the beautiful kit and for entrusting me to showcase your beautiful work. I really appreciate it. I hope you have enjoyed this project as much as I've enjoyed working on it. I know I did so much of it off film, but I was just really struggling with trying to make decisions, and you guys would not have wanted to come along for that struggle bus ride, let me tell you. And again, I have made so many masculine projects this summer and have realized today, I'm like, wow, I haven't played with much in the way of lace and stuff in a while. And that's okay, because the next couple of projects I have in my mind are back to more masculine themes. Or not really masculine, but more just not lending itself to be really foo-foo like this one is. But I just love this. I just think it's so pretty. It's a really cool size. I like that it's got a little bit of grunge and elegance to it. It's kind of how I feel that it came together. So thank you so much for joining me. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. It truly does help my channel. I really appreciate all of the wonderful, kind comments I've been getting, not only on the Christmas and July videos, but also on this project as well. I am just really enjoying it, and my list of things I need to make is so long right now, and I have to get some stuff done. So I need to do something a little more simplistic for my next project, which I thought this was going to be simplistic. Do we know me, or do we know me? Do I do anything simplistic? No. Okay, well, thank you for joining me. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.